All right, so we're going to create a new function. Function is valid. We're going to receive a string. So that's going to be snum. That can be of type string. And it's going to return Boolean. So we're going to check if it's true or false. Control-Shift-C to create the code. Right, so we're going to receive this snum. You're going to have to loop through this string, check each character one at a time. So we're going to have x integer for the for loop. For x is assigned to 1, 2. How long is the cell phone number? 10. Do. Okay, now we can say, let's just put a begin and end to be safe. Now we can say it would probably be better to use a case state, a while loop, but anyways, this is the logic. If, snum, the variable we've received, the parameter, if snum x is not equal, snum x is not equal to, I'm going to say in, and we're going to have to choose 0.9. Okay. We'll have to fix it, so it's not entirely right. Then do something. Firstly, this is a character. snum is a string. Pulling out the x makes it a character. And these are integers, do you agree? So here we're going to go string to int. Snum. Let's just see where that's going to go. If string to int snum x in that, then we're happy. Right. So we don't want that to be the case. If we have a problem, I want to say result assigned to false, which means we want to assume that it's true to start with. Let's just see how this works. Result is assigned to true. Okay, so we're saying it's true. If it finds an error, we have to say not. So if it's not in that list, then result is on to false, and we might as well exit right there.
So how does it know what strings you read?
It's reading the string you get here, and I'll show you now. Right. So that was the next step. F12. Okay, so test. This is where we're going to say, let's see, where would we put the information? Okay, we're going to test, let's say we're going to test this cell phone number here. So let's go var cell string. Okay, now we need to get that. SL is assigned to edt student.text. So that's where we get the cell phone number from. Now we can say if is valid, we must send it that number SL that we've just received. So that's the string we're working with. If that one is valid, then add. We could say SL plus is valid. Right. Else out lines add SL plus is invalid. So here we're getting the string we want to use. We're sending it to this function, which uses this string to determine if it's valid in this sense. So let's see if it actually works. Let's put a character in there. Okay, so that's another problem I have to deal with. Okay, so that doesn't quite work. So then let's do it this way. Are you with me still? That's an unforeseen error. Let's see if we can test this as a char. So you test it in that manner. So we won't need this. Okay, let's run it again. That's how we program. We encounter problems, we fix problems. 085 123 1234. Test. F3. So that's working. So we fixed that problem we encountered there. Save all.